Alright guys, welcome back to Two Brothers Garage. I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I've been working on my motor in my truck. I know I was going to do it all on here, but I decided against it because really I just cuss too much and can't keep my language under control when I'm working on something. So, wanted to pretty much give you a view of what all's been done so far. So let me flip this around and I'll show you. Alright, here it is. It's almost completely back together. See, the intake's not on. The heads are bolted down. They are torqued down. Here's these old things. Let me show you one of the problems we had, if I can find it real quick. There it is. See this? Yeah. Piece of the skirt broke. It was actually broke and running. Number 6 piston had broke rings. That's really about it. There's that. And old water pump, old oil pump, bucket of oil. It does have Proform roller rockers, hardened push rods. Everything's been painted up. It's an oil pan and the timing cover, and all the brackets are gunmetal, dark gunmetal gray. Block is dark Ford blue. And today, we're gonna be doing a little cleaning to this. Take it apart, clean it out. If anybody knows anything about Hollies, yep, they know these little things right here, the focus, are bad for braking. So I ordered a couple of them off eBay. We're gonna put them in, put it in. But we're just gonna go through it and make sure everything's set up right, make sure the power rail's still good, and we will be right back. Well guys, that's it. That's all we're doing today. I just wanted to get you caught up on what we're doing around here. So, y'all have a good one.